not pretty far.
About 30 minutes or it?
Yeah. 30, 40 minutes.
40.
40 minutes?
40.
We're going to Cool. It's about 40 minutes from here. This is my first venture. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been very, very, very cold. Even though the scenery is very beautiful, but you can feel the cold in your face. It's very, very tough. But we're looking today, we're gonna get some fish. This place 40 minutes away from town, Kugaaruk. But to get there, we need to get by sled.
How many do you have?
30. This one spring kick. Even said mine.
Ready?
Yep.
How are you doing? Good?
Yeah.
Fish.
Yes. Very good people. Okay.
Are we waiting for the other guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got rougher. The rougher coming back?
No. It wasn't like this. There was no snow like that.
Oh, okay, okay. How long did it take you to get there?
Or if I'm driving alone, because I go like 80 to 100,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I take like 30 to 40.
Okay, okay.
That's ocean.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's beautiful.
Let's go.
Yep.
Nowadays, these technology, they break easily. Not like back then.
And this is that. So there's a lot of char here as well. Yeah. Okay. Very cool.
My dad taught me how to go hunting, fishing, and my dad's a great teacher. So I learned from him. Yesterday, when I checked my net, caught 20 fish, and this morning caught 8. So it's not always the same. They're making a hole and they'll put that on under the ice. We call it Iqaluit, but in English I don't know what it's called. Put the rope on the end, hold it, and it moves forward. We hear the sound. When we hear the sound, we remove the snow, see if we could see under the ice. Well, back then, before that, they use a long stick. They hook the rope and pull the rope. They make holes along the way until they're set up the nets. Nowadays, there's technology. Teenagers don't want to do anything but being on the phone or play game. Seems like they don't want to anymore. So I don't know how that's gonna go.